I'm just heading up to Frodsham Hill to see the War Memorial. Get some drone footage while I'm up there, hopefully. Lots of little trails around here, going off in all directions, and we're going up this way. Pretty much at the top now. A little bit cloudier today, but we'll see what we can get.
Through the clouds I soar so high, a lens to catch the morning sky. River Mersey stretching wide, memories carved where heroes lie. Pedals and propellers spin the tale, over hills and hearts that never pale. Frodsham's heights, the wind prevails through time and stone, the view unveils. The whispers of the past remain, echoes carried in the rain. Liverpool's lights a distant glow, Runcorn stands where waters flow. Pedals and propellers spin the tale, over hills and hearts that never pale. Frodsham's heights, the wind prevails through time and stone, the view unveils. Through a lens I capture grace, memorials hold their solemn place above the river's gentle pace. History breathes in every space,
Okay, well, that was my Frodsham Hill video done. Hope you liked what you've seen, and please press the thumbs up. If you watch it and you like it, press the thumbs up, it really helps. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, because that definitely helps. I'll catch you on the next one.